Good good morning, Anarchy, and how are you guys doing? It is Friday, which means it is time to share a story from this book. When the banks closed, we opened our hearts, and it is from South Carolina, Mount Croghan. It's about this gymnasium that the CCC program built, the Civil Conservation Courts. That was started by FDR to help people get back to work after stock market crash. It was built in 1936, and unfortunately in 1960, when the school closed, this building kind of fell into disrepair. Now, it was deeded to the city of Mount Croghan at some point, and they renovated it. And it now stands as a monument, reminding them that when you going gets tough, the tough band together and they work together and they build their way out of a situation. I'll see you guys next week.